sometimes I'll be like, do I really deserve to be here? But at the same time, parang I think I've done a lot of work na rin to.
Sige, shoot. Yes, go ahead. No worries.
Liza, tsaka sa America. How is it for yourselves immersing into this kind of setup and of course working the OGs?
We've talked about the OGs.
OGs na to.
Mga old school. Ben and I talked to a lot about this actually. Nung nagsastart pa lang po, it was the first time we met for the boys. We were with Coach Jun. Si Coach Bailey wala. Nasa, where were we? Friends, we were friends. But when we all met, yun nga sabi na parang ibang experience for us. Kasi we've never really judged. We've never been in a competition like this na kami yung magsasabi ng mga advices. And it's also like a good sort of like segue for us kasi po, we've been in the industry. I mean, they've been in the industry longer in terms of what we recognize. I came out a little bit mas but I've had my certain accomplishments that gave me sort of like a background on how to really talk to these kids. Kasi I think the most important thing is being very influential to these kids, having them really look up to us as of course we're coaches. At the same time, we're the ones to really say what we need to say, help guide them. And it's really important when we have that background as coaches para mabigay yung mga justifiable comments.
I think the very different thing about this experience is it's our first time really being in a TV show. So, although it's both like entertainment, like usually pag sa amin nila Zach, gigs and live shows dito sa TV, sobrang iba rin yung experience talaga. In a lot of ways, it's very fast-paced. It involves so many people working together to make it happen. Of course, so many people off-cam at saka talagang team effort siya. Kaya sa totoo lang po, kahit na yung role namin ay magbahagi ng kaalaman namin, sobrang dami rin namin natututunan pa lang ngayon for the first time ever. And so we just take every day, one day at a time, yung experience na panibago talagang tinitake in namin. But also when our thoughts are asked, and also when we need to share what our experience has been in our work, of course we do the best that we can as well. And every day is a roller coaster of emotions. Like, I'm not even exaggerating when I say that. Talagang siya, parang ang dami mong mararanasan, lalo na sa experience na to working with kids. More on that later, but that's been the experience so far.
For Zach, I know it's a full circle moment for you, no? So, kamusta naman parang going back to this set, para like years ago pa, na ikaw naman yung nakasalang before ngayon, ikaw na yung mag-judge, mag-coach, and mag-mentor.
It feels really surreal. I've said that a million times na siguro. And I'll never get tired of saying that. Kasi, again, like I was a normal kid. I was just a student. So parang lahat to, panaginip lang talaga. So parang being able to be with these coaches. There are people that I looked up to also when I was just a normal kid. So parang, it feels weird that I'm here. Sometimes I'll be like, do I really deserve to be here? But at the same time, parang I think I've done a lot of work to become part of the show, and it just feels really nice, and it gives more of this outlook for these kids also. Na okay, si coach natalo yun before, pero hindi mo nasa naman siya na. I think that's one of the most important things that I want these kids to get from my journey also. But yeah, it feels really nice.
I'll make a follow-up on that.
siya. Kasi when you become a coach, kasi it's really a huge shoe to fill. Did you ever have criticisms also ganun din? Kasi nga, when you say you're a coach, talagang they expect a lot from you and you should have proven something. What can you say about it?
That part also, I feel like there's always going to be criticisms in terms of people, especially watching the show. Because like that's what I feel like not a lot of people get to really accept in the first stages of like changing the show. Sometimes also, there are parts of the show that but it didn't from time to time. And that part kasi was also achieved by the global office of the boys and all that. So for us to be here means we're actually parang nalagay talaga kami sa position nito kasi there's a reason. And in terms of like I guess accomplishments, like I said, I don't think we don't really have to explain much in that part. But we've done things in the industry that I feel like people can really see them. And it's really nice because I feel like most of the people who found out na kami po yung naging part ng show, a lot of people are really happy. Kasi parang, again, like they saw me nga po na I was that kid before, parang may mga nakikita po ako ng fans. Ay nakakatuwa naman na siya na yung nakaupo ngayon, parang grabe, parang sobrang sarap sa feeling na siya. Parang, and yeah, there's ano po, I feel like there's a lot of things to expect in the show that our take naman. It's gonna be really exciting for the fans of it.
Okay, may question. Okay, go ahead.
Amen.
Okay.
Totoo lang. Hindi naman talaga everything madaling makakatanggap ng criticism. And for sure it's gonna come with this. Kasi sa Pilipinas tayo. So, mayayari talaga. Aside from everything that Coach Zach said, parang it's really at the end of the day holding on to the faith. God put us here for a reason, and maybe it's to help the kids that we encounter. So that probably makaka-help yun na mag-block out yung noise if it gets too noise. We just want to help.
Okay, my question is for Billy and Judy. Hi, hello. Kasi kayong dalawa, matagal na talaga, di ba? I mean, you've known parang every aspect of the show. So, kasi compared last edition, no? I mean, you are working with new faces like them. So, definitely it's a good, no? It's a welcome change, kumbaga. It's a welcome development. Pero, can you tell us about your experience so far taping with this, talented artist? And ano kaya yung mabibring nila na something new? Kasi people will definitely compare and look forward to something new kapag in-air na to.
Go na. Ladies.
Okay, ladies
I've
first.
always been a fan of these guys. I'm personally a fan. And it's such a, it's a breath of fresh air pagka pagtrabaho ako with these kinds of very inspiring and talented artists. Mas nakaka-motivate lalo magtrabaho because they always bring something new to the table na like, oh wow, ganito pala to, or like may mga natututunan din ako sa kanila, and in the same way na may natututunan din sila from us ni Coach. And it's something, like I guess it's really something special, especially that we're assigned to do this job as coaches, as mentors. Nakakatuwa din kasi kasi pare-pares kami ng energy. Kumbaga para nasa same wavelength kami lahat. And I personally enjoy working with them. Kasi para ako sila mga, brothers talaga. And pag may gusto ko sabihin, nasasabi ko agad sa kanila. Pag may naiisip ako, sinishare ko agad sa kanila. So, it's a good thing because yung ganitong klaseng camaraderie, hindi hindi siya basta-basta nakakain. Parang bigla na lang talaga siya dumarating. And that's something that you should treasure.
Siguro yung sinasabi ni Jules na mas gusto niya yung coaches ngayon kaysa kina Stella pa.
Grabe!
No, I mean, I do agree with Coach Julie just because these guys are here and they're meant to be here. Minsan nga, kami ni Julie minsan nagtataka, bakit pa kami nandito?
Ba't naman hindi?
Thankful din na, na we're still a part of the Voice. But having the new addition sa pamilyang The Voice, it's a great feeling. It's a really good feeling that we get to connect, we get to speak, not even tungkol sa trabaho most of the time pag nandito kami. We speak about life. We really get along and we consider each other as family. Hindi kami nagpaplastikan. Si Zach lang yung nagpaplastikan. Hindi,
Hindi ka kasi yun nire-respeto.
kasi nagre-respeto ng mga nakakatanda. Mga lolo kasi. But we have, kami ni Julie, been in this industry for so long. We've dealt and we've seen so many people in the industry. But these guys are really humble. They're really, really talented. And yun nga, katulad ng sinasabi ni Zach, they have a purpose and they deserve to be on those chairs because these kids strive to be like them. They're going to grow up to become amazing songwriters like these guys, amazing performers like these guys. So parang kami ni Jules, nag-relax na lang kami dito, pero habang nagtatrabaho, it doesn't feel like work. Bottom line, it doesn't feel like work. Kasi we really do connect with each other. May chat kami, we speak about mga sakit ng ulo, pag-gising sa umaga, mga tipong ganun. So we have that close connection with each other.
Billy, congratulations Okay. So yun, tatanong lang, briefly lang, ano ba, nakadagdag ba yun ng parang another layer of inspiration?
Hindi, nakakadagdag energy. Nakakadagdag ng positivity sa buhay ko. It cancels all the negative stuff na nangyayari sa mundo. Kumbaga, having another addition to my family personally. Kumbaga, yung pinaka sa akin yung respetong gusto ko at gusto ko ibalik lahat sa asawa ko just because of what she's been going through for the past couple of years from Amari, ngayon kay Austin. Talagang mapapahanga na lang. I became even a bigger fan to my wife and I became like parang try to be the best support system sa bata. So nakakadagdag talaga siya ng emosyon. Kumbaga dito sa dating or dito sa amin. I try to speak from the heart as much as I can kasi nga I'm in the place of heart.
Yes. Julie, Julie, the last time kasi parang may kasabay ka na na show din, parang The Voice and then The Clash. Meron bang kasabay din ulit na hindi namin alam? Or new project?
Tawag ng The Show.
Okay. Meron ba?
Parang I think because kasi yung The Clash po ay patapos na rin. Parang towards grand finals na rin po kasi. So, I think
TV series.
After ng The Clash, it's gonna be The Voice.
Wala ring TV series or any? Walang new TV projects like
TV series,
acting or ganon?
Right now, I really want to focus on the music po muna.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kay Julie and Jake, sige, go ahead.
Follow up lang kasi out of curiosity, gusto ko malaman how is it different coaching kids and other contestants and ayun, ano yung parang banter nyo din as a group sa set? Paano yung yung parang camaraderie, yung friendship na nabuo within the Voice?
For your first question, I'll let you first question.
Difference and challenges of coaching kids.
Coaching kids.
Mas mahirap talaga na mag-coach ng kids. kumpara sa adults. Kasi nung kami ni Coach Billy dun sa The Voice Generations, may adults kasi yung mga talents namin. Although ako, may experience na ako nung The Voice Generations na bata yung mga kino-coach ko. So, somehow, medyo doon nag-open yung experience ko when it comes to dealing with kids. And last year, first time ko talaga na mag-coach ng kid, like at all. Tapos ngayon naman, naulit ulit. It's a tough job talaga. It's like dealing with my sisters. Yun na lang yung iniisip ko talaga. Kasi ako ang trato ko sa mga bata talaga. Hindi nanay ate. Kasi may mga lalit akong bata, nagmamano na sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi naman matanda dito.
You have to also be careful daw with the words.
Of course. We have to be careful with what we say. Kasi tumatatak sa kanila yan. Ito yung very crucial years nila. Kasi most especially na ito yung parang talagang nasa stage na sila na nandito na ako sa The Voice Kids. Kumbaga parang pasok na ako. So I'm one step closer to, like reaching for my dreams, become a professional singer or like a winner. Pero palaging ang namin sinasabi sa kanila na it's still a competition. Merong mananalo, merong matatalo. Ang pinaka-advice na lang talaga na binibigyan namin sa kanila is to really enjoy yung ginagawa nila. Kasi alam naman namin na talagang mahal nila yung pag-perform and they're doing it for not only for themselves but for their families as well. Tsaka marami pang mga darating na pagsubok, marami din darating mga opportunities na bubukas doors for them. Ito yung platform para sa kanila para sinasabi namin na ito yung para magiging training ground nila sa larger aspects ng buhay nila, pagtanda nila. At ito yung babaunin nila hanggang sa pagtanda. And yeah, we really try our best to encourage them, to motivate them in the best way we can.
Then yung sa group.
Ayun, sa group naman. Diba? Nasabi naman na kasi namin ganun. And wala, comfortable na talaga kami sa isa't isa. Tsaka, yeah, it's fun. Hindi naman halata, diba? May mga kami, may mga
Number one.
Number one kayo.
There's a big difference. There's a big difference between kids and adults. Kasi adults, you deal with the adults. The kids, not just only the kids, you deal with the parents too. You deal with the people that always support. It's double whammy ka. So, kasi pag hindi ka umikot for the child, ikaw yung bibintangan. So there's no one else to blame except for the coaches. So, and sometimes you have to deal with bakit hindi ka umikot? Kasi dilitin mo na, paliwanag mo nga. There are times na, it happens. But dealing with kids is very fragile kasi, syempre, they look up to their parents. So we have to do the balance of trying to tell them that there is still a chance after, even if hindi sila makakita. So that's the most challenging part. Pero dealing with adults sa generations, it was, for me, I think it was more challenging dealing with adults kasi nakikita mo yung itsura, nakikita mo yung emosyon ng tao na parang dismayado, he or she really disagrees with you. And kulang na lang kakausapin yung backstage. Ano ba ang ginawa ko? Ba't di mo yung mga tipong gano'n, di ba? And may kaya kasi ang mga adults to do that to us. The kids, they have respect kahit kung paano. So, they break down. So, those are the differences that in the adults.
Speaking of difference, which do you like better, Julie? Yung hosting or judging and coaching?
It's completely different. Hosting kasi, it's a different enjoyment kasi you get to command the show. You get to set yung tone, yung mood, yung tempo ng buong pagtakbo ng show. Now, bilang coach, you get to inspire, you get to motivate, you have to be respectful and also respected. So,
Same.
copy paste.
Same, copy-paste.
So harder pero which is harder? Yung
For me?
Judging and coaching. Kasi nga,
Yung hosting kasi, it's a different entity. Parang, it's like, ano siya parang kapag nagpo-perform ka, parang it's something that you're comfortable with. And it's something that you can, parang easily do. Kasi, ang performing and hosting, parang sila, yung nag-intersect sila palagi. Ang coaching and mentoring, ibang klase siya. It's like you're teaching. So,
ito yung nagsiset.
oo. Yes. Ito nga yun. So, ito, yung mentoring, parang mas siya. Tama nga yung sinabi ni Coach Benny na ikaw yung parang nagiging basihan ng estudyante mo or ng talent mo. Like, Coach, tama ba to? Coach, ano ba yung magandang gawin? Ano ba yung hindi magandang gawin? So, it's, diba kapag nasa classroom tayo, we always listen to our teachers. So, parang it's the same thing pagdating sa mga bata.
With this season po, I know parang with the OGs po, sino pong mas lamang? The OGs, yung dalawang coach for each kid, or yung naka-experience na mismo ng The Voice Kids po?
Ay, lamang dito si Judy.
Ay, bakit ako?
Kasi Julie na bawa.
Ay, grabe.
Everybody has their own advantages. Pero mas lamang yung dalawang silyang umiikot na same time.
Yun nga.
Two against singles lang. So, mas lamang sila.
Lagi na kami nahuhulog dun.
Nawiwiplas yung
Ay, pero di pala totoo kasi kahit ano nang sabihin namin lahat dito, pag si Jolie nakapress.
wala na. Nagdi-disappear na yung mga ibang coaches.
Tsaka ang dami-dami na naming sinabi para ibenta yung mga sarili namin. Si Julie tahimik lang.
Tahimik lang, chill lang siya.
Ang pipiliin ko po ay si Coach Julie! Kahit di siya umikot.
Kaya Julie, nabawa!
Ay, grabe. Pero
Speechless si Julie.
wala na ako sasabihin.
Set the tone.
Wala na nga ako.
What would
Wala na ako
you expect?
sinasabi.
But aside from the new coaches, what makes this batch of kids different from the past seasons?
All individuals are different. It doesn't matter which batch. Ibang set of kids, ibang set of parents, ibang set of culture, iba-iba yung dating nila. There's one thing na nangyari. I don't want to say, pero first time kasi nangyari to me as a coach na isang bata may ginawa as soon as something happened. Pero, I don't want to give you more kasi cute, nakakatawa, and nakakaaliw because it's really spontaneous. Kaya that's the difference I think between this season and the last season. Yung last season kasi nung kasama pa alam na namin kung sino-sino yung pipiliin ng mga bata. Pagtungtong pa lang kahit hindi umikot, pipiliin yung iba diba? Pero this season was really was fun because it was challenging talking to the kids and swimming the kids para kami. So challenging for us this season.
May mga suhol o bago?
Marami akong binigay na projects. so iba na yung usapan namigay ako ng mga 80 cars, luxury cars.
Hindi na lang galing flag.
Wala lang, mai-input lang. So there you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Picture na lang